Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a horticulturalist here at the Greenery, and today I'm going to be showing you a few plants that you can use to add colour to your garden. So here I've got some shade-loving plants that can add a bit of colour. So your impatiens are a classic annual. Heuchers are a really nice perennial that you can add some beautiful foliage to your garden. And the hydrangeas are another classic to add all sorts of different colours and add a big wow factor. So here I've got some hanging baskets. They're a really great way to add a bit of colour and height to your garden. So the fuchsias are really good for a shaded spot. And here I've got some petunias and they're great for the sun. So here I've got some natives. The Agonis flexuosa, the burgundy, is a really good way to add a bit of height for hedging or a feature tree. And here is a lily pilly. A lot of your lily pillies will have beautiful red foliage in their new growth. So here at the Greenery we sell instant colour in a whole range of different sizes. So marigolds are a really good option for the sun and to add a really bright instant colour effect. Vincas are really sun hardy and tolerant. And then you've got things like your silver dust cineraria, which adds a bit of silver, which is lovely. Plants like snapdragons and petunias are sun hardy and can add beautiful colour to your garden. So to ensure that your flowers bloom for longer, make sure that you fertilise. A liquid fertiliser is always good for your annuals, and making sure that you water daily, sometimes twice a day in summer.